So guys, what's up? Hey, welcome back to our vlog again. It's been a long time that we didn't take a video. Now we're coming back again. Balik na sa vlog guys. Hindi ko na akong asawa mag-Bisaya. Hindi ko na akong mabalik sa vlog no. So karon gusto na ako i-share sa inyo ang karon mga tumi sa among restaurant. So guys, update guys, na may duha ka restaurant ug usa ka food cart. So balik tulo na ka resto among gina-manage karon. Tulo na ka resto among gina-manage karon. So karon puntaga ang open sa among isa ka restaurant is alas 8 man. So amo sa bisitahon. Then ang among open sa Pinoy restaurant namo is alas 11. Oh. Then ang open sa among food cart is Friday and Saturday ra. Then 6 to 11 PM. So ipakita na ko sa inyo ang mga panghitabo ha. So unahon sa nato ani ang among kuan, ang among current restaurant nga bagong palit. So yun. Mga ang bagong palit nga restaurant. Sa yun nag-ano yung reservation ko naman. So yes, so now we're eating here in our newly bought restaurant. So let's try. Yummy. There's a lot of soup guys. We have beef soup, pork soup. That's all the menu. For my fellow Filipinos, you can visit here. It's very near in Asan Pyongan. Asan Hospital, the biggest hospital here in Gangnam. So you can visit here anytime. You guys, good morning. Hey baby, good morning. Now we're going to work. So yeah, it's a bit busy, but let's go. Today my wife will ride the car, and then our car is there, the black one, and my bike is there. Yeah. Bye baby. I will drop my wife first in our car. Here it is, our car. Yes sir. Okay. Bubalik po vlog guys kay mingaw na po vlog. Let me get my helmet. Yeah. See you later maybe in the rest too. Oh. Bye. Guys, we arrived now in our resto. I already parked my bike, but I just picked up my wife. You know, we have to work together. It's been a long time that we didn't take video, right? So here's our resto again. We'll introduce you our resto. 3 years ago or 2 years ago, it was like this. Now we're dreaming to make it big, right? So, sobrang dami ng customer namin guys. Hindi na namin siya ma-cater, kaya we're planning to extend from here all the way there. So yeah, ito pa rin. So as you remember before, I show you meron na kaming interior. Yan. So tatlo na pala yung ano namin guys, resto. Meron kaming Korean restaurant, meron din kaming food cart, tsaka ito yung main restaurant namin. So hopefully makapag-vlog na kami ulit talaga na walang putol-putol. Gusto ko lang sana kasi lahat ng nangyari sa buhay namin ma-record ko. I just want to, you know, I just want that every moment that we have baby is, I just want to record, you know, so in the future, our baby can see our family, when we become already like Haimune and Harabuji, they can see sana kasi. Yes, that's it. I'll show you some clips that I will show you our food cart and another. Likod sa Home Plus guys, na adri ang among cart. Adri ang Bulwark Street guys. Atong hanihan akong asawa ko kung ulangan. Mga to guys, ang sa ilang kahimtang. Pa sila guys. As kay line guys. Dara guys ay. Ulangan.
정보 어디서? 아.
Anyak ko. Go guys. Guys. As kay linya guys. Kanya guys, may putol-putol. Kapan mangulin lang. Ulangan ako asawa, ginabuhi tao.